Welcome back to another day of adventure. Today we are in Sohra at the Nohkalikai Falls. The Nohkalikai Falls viewpoint is the most popular tourist spot in Sohra. This 340 meters or 1115 feet waterfall is the tallest plunge waterfall in India. And today we are literally getting to the bottom of it. The nice cemented set of stairs abruptly come to an end just after 10 minutes. The adventure begins from here. Check out the height of that drop. The way to the bottom of the waterfall is not easy, as it has many jungle trails crisscrossing each other in between. Hence, it is advisable to take a local guide for your own safety. We did try calling the number of a local guide on the signboard at the entrance, but then none of our phones had network, and so we proceeded ahead. Along the trail, we came across this route that resembled a hand railing. The further we proceeded ahead, the trail became more confusing and the jungle became much thicker. At one point, I turned back to look at the start of our trek. Finally, after 2 hours 15 minutes, we reached the bottom of the waterfall. This was absolutely worth the trek. "15 minutes later, it was 4 p.m, sun was setting and it was time to start back up. Thanks to Gavin's exceptional sense of direction, we reached the top despite climbing up in total darkness. And all along the way, a search party was calling out for Badua. Thank you for watching. Until next time.